What's this, you ask? Oh, this is a great breakfast or brunch idea to serve family and friends. Using the FN Sharp paring knife to spread some jam on one side of our sandwich here. Whatever you have on hand, I'm going with raspberry. Some holiday leftover ham is great for this. Some Swiss cheese, some honey mustard. We'll close up this sandwich, and then we'll grab our FN Sharp bread knife to slice right down the middle horizontally. And then to make almost like a custard, we have 4 large eggs, giving that a quick scramble. That is going to go into some milk. I happen to have almond milk on hand, so that's what we're doing. We're going to give that a quick stir, and we're going to make sure and season that up. Some salt, pepper, and I'm using a little onion salt. Then we're going to spray down a pan. I'm using an 8x8 pan, whatever you have on hand for however many sandwiches that might fit for you. And then we'll go in with the egg and milk mixture. You can see all the seasonings in there. Top it off with some cheese. It's gonna bake until it's bubbly and brown and gooey. Then we'll get into this here, plate it up, and finish it off with some powdered sugar. Now that's a great breakfast or brunch. Check out fnsharp.com.